Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the crochet rice stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the half double crochet stitch, the double crochet stitch, the front post double crochet stitch, and the back post double crochet stitch. I have videos on all of those and I will have them listed down below. To start at the very beginning, you're going to make chains in an odd number. I have already made 23 chains on my hook. To start row 1, make 1 double crochet into the 3rd chain from your hook. Then you'll make 1 double crochet into each chain across for your first row. And that's how row 1 is looking. To start row 2, turn your work and make 1 chain on your hook. Into the very first stitch of your row, make 1 half double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a front post double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a back post double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a front post double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a back post double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a front post double crochet. Into the next stitch, make a back post double crochet. You would now alternate between front post double crochets and back post double crochets until you reach the last stitch of your row. When you reach the last stitch of your row, make 1 regular half double crochet into that last stitch. And that is how row 2 is looking. You would now repeat row 2 for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make the crochet rice stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.